here, I think I'm gonna need some crowd participation here.
You do?
When I let you know when we're ready here, we're gonna do a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go for this last event. We're gonna need the whole crowd to help out. We're just letting the last stragglers get out on the track here, and then I need help from everybody.
You're gonna do that with every start? Or just the first ones?
The first one.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Now wait a minute, somebody supposed to tell me when they go blow the thing up. Come on, you guys. Holy whipping. I like it jumped right out of my socks there. Yeah, that's 4 more. All 4.
They can use all 4, but they only need to use 2 to win.
I think that's a 2-cylinder there. Either that is rubber bands on my 4 more coming at us right here. What is that noise?
That's the rubber band.
Oh, he tried to roll it over. Did you get the left front tire fixed yet?
What are you doing? Going backwards. Hood's up.
He's going backwards.
Number 100.
Why? Why? He can't even see now.
And still did.
Hey, that taxi's got 300,000 miles on it. I saw it when it came in. They had 300K on the side, and they told me 300,000 miles on it. All right, here we go. And that truck was the car. Here we go, 4 more. Maybe. Look at this, 95.
Whoa! Iron Man missed the ramp.
Whoa! That's 900 pounds in it.
Did you see him bounce around?
He was bouncing around inside the camera. Oh my Lord. He was bouncing around big time.
The 50.
These guys are getting some distance. Oh, this red pickup ought to be good. He loves to do this stuff. Look at it, he can push the other guy. I think we lost something. Now we got debris right in front of them. Let's see what happens with this. Windshield wiper's working anyway. We got rid of the debris. Oh my gosh. Holy whip. These guys are real wackos.
So much for hitting that.
3 of them, they're pushing each other out of the way. Free Willie had the best jump, but he didn't make it. I don't know. TNT!
Cosmo got out pretty
Jerry, you didn't even go to the ramp, you think back. I'm not gonna look at my name again, boy.
Now Cosmo got out there pretty far.
Battery's up, how's your payments? All right, here we go. 4 more. 3 more.
Mighty Mouse going to pits.
Landed on that left front car.
We love
Just pushing each other. Grass monkey is upside down. He's moving around. He's jumping out. There he is. I got a different name for you, but I can't use it on the microphone there, grass monkey. Here we go. TNT up front. Oh, missed. That guy made it around by now. We got one now. He's driving away on the inside there, very slow, but he rubber band's still working a little bit. Whoop, them guy died again up there in
We got
Tennessee.
two down. But I think that'll bring us to the final, Jerry. Let the green flag drop.
Green flag fly. The pickup. I thought he was going to be able to go around on two wheels.
He was going to save it as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody hit the rim. Mighty Mouse is out of the car. Get in there and drive that away, buddy.
See if it fires up.
Come on. Well, you gotta fix the cake first. Cake Canaveral, that is.
So who won that one, Jerry?
Nobody.
And he's back.
You know, I don't know.
We just
Truck,
took
the red truck, yeah. See how much power he's got left in it. TNT trying to turn the truck around. Mighty, you didn't hit the ramp. All right, one apiece so far.
Green is out.
Green is out. Four is it going?
Uh-oh, what happened? The 44. The trash going out of his truck.
John Sanford out of Alfred. And that red pickup has two wins. Mr. Ford of TNT, not gonna make it happen. So ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, that concludes our show and our year for 2019. We really